Good morning, this is Scott from Central Valley HHO. Again, we've been in business now for about 11 years, and we are not just a hydrogen company, we are a fuel management company as well. Again, we have monitoring systems that monitor trucks and cars, generators, ships, all over the world, and this is all we do for a living, is actually do fuel management and hydrogen technology. So what I'm about to show, honestly, is worth millions of dollars to the engine manufacturers and to the end user, which is a company with hundreds and thousands of trucks, where I can show saving millions of dollars in repair costs and fuel savings just by this monitoring technology alone. So as you can see, this is Google. You can Google this and see when that check engine light comes on vehicle, diesel truck, ships, engines, it does not matter due to the new emission technology that is on every engine in the world now. As you can see, you can lose as much as 20%. Okay, so here's a screenshot of a 15-liter Cummins truck that shows the average fuel economy, and you can see it's driven 2,971 kilometers, and this was its average fuel economy, 3.44. We actually have this data for the last 6 months, and that's been the average fuel economy on this particular truck. Again, this is a brand new 2018 truck with all the emission device that every new diesel truck has in the world, or diesel engine. Okay, so what's happened here? Same truck, 3 days in a row, which it drove 1,600 something kilometers. But what I want you to see is the fuel economy plummeted to 2.95. That's 16.6%, guys. You guys, these trucks or any engine that has emission technology, you are throwing some serious money down the tubes because you're not keeping these trucks running efficiently. Okay? Again, this is why I say this data is worth millions of dollars. This is the actual truck's computer's diagnostics showing me what given days when there's an issue. And you can see here on the 16th all the way to the 17th, it has the #1 issue in the world with engines is DPF, or exhaust fluid issues. And again, this is what I'm showing you right here, guys. So I don't care if they're new trucks, old trucks, and when I say old trucks, anything below like 2011, if these codes are coming up, you are losing some serious money for your company. Again, this data is worth millions of dollars, and this is why we are so adamant about our technology. Again, I've stated in so many videos that we save upwards of $30,000 to $40,000 a year per truck, and this is why. Right here, due to this data that Central Valley has, no other hydrogen company in the world is doing what we're doing. Again, do the simple math. If you have over 3,000 trucks and you're losing 16%, that could be like $1.5 to $2 million per month in fuel loss. Anyways, I can go on and on and on, but again, the state of this video is to show that we have data clearly showing that when the check engine light comes on these newer trucks, you're losing some serious money out of your pocket. So again, this is Scott from Central Valley HHO. Just wanted to do another video. Have a good day.